If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the color of worksheet tabs in Excel, first select the worksheet tab whose tab color you wish to change. Next, click the Format button in the Cells button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then roll your mouse pointer down to the Tab Color command. In the side menu that appears, click the color you want to apply to the Worksheet tab. Note that you can also select the More Colors menu choice instead to open the Colors dialog box and select a color if necessary. To remove a color from a selected Worksheet tab in Excel, repeat this same process, but select the No Color option from the side menu of choices that appears. Also note that when you select a Worksheet tab or make it active, it's difficult to see its true Worksheet tab color. You can deselect the Worksheet tab to accurately see its Worksheet tab color. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.